wasn't enough. I ain't have enough time to come back and reel them in at the end. But it was trying to do something. What you think, man?
That hoe almost got that.
Appreciate it, man.
What you run?
I'll be faster next week. I'm scared to tell. I ain't gonna tell them what. I'm gonna keep it a secret. I got people ready to grudge race this car. They want to run it for money. I'm gonna keep them confused on what it run until they get up there for that money. Then boom, boom. Hey, money gone. Point scene money gone. Race scene money gone.
That's a thin in the middle.
The staging line still. Let me see.
Nah, if you rematch, you got next one.
Let me see what else up here, man. Alright, y'all.
He said everybody's saying run it back.
Run it back, man. I can't beat that thing.
Yeah.
That thing not running. I want my other tune now, y'all. I'm going in to get a new tune next week, y'all.
Mucho miedo.
I'm coming in next week to get a tune. Oh, okay, here goes.
That's my G.
I'm finna run.
The Beamer again? Not the G.
Okay, let him do a solo.
Nah, we ain't racing it. It's the G. He doing a solo.
I'm gonna let you go solo, man. Oh, damn. You know that dude up there ain't gonna know, man. So you gotta go ahead and get in for him. Ah!
Chases the race.
Man, we appreciate you holding the camera, you know, in here, Lookout Racing, man. Look out. I don't know. Ain't nobody else. I don't know nobody else that wanted to ride. Okay. Oh, they want to race each other? Okay, that's fine. Let me get up here. We're going to make another pass. See if it's spin this time. That not trying to get wicked, y'all.
Getting sideways in this.
Sideways, boys. Hey, Sunday night, I might raise up the cake. Nah, I told y'all I was spinning, y'all. I was spinning early. You gotta do a good burnout up here at Yello Belly. I ain't putting no glue down or nothing. So, you know, when you grudge racing up here, I suggest putting some glue. That you got something soft. The old Caprice wasn't trying to hear that. They want some glue. Caprice wants some glue, y'all.
Oh God, in the middle.
But it's running pretty good. New tune coming soon. That mug tried to get sideways, man. That mug go to the next girl. What? You felt that thing?
Oh God.
You
got scared.
Appreciate it, man. Yeah, we going sideways.
Oh God, what you want us to crash? What the fuck?
No, you gotta stay in it.
He said you got scared, you hit the brakes.
I ain't even hit the brakes.
Oh God, it lit off.
But you gotta just get off the gas. This thing making that horsepower, man.
Some said keep that car, don't sell it.
I was thinking about raffling it off, man. What Would you join the raffle if I was too? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he liked this bitch, y'all. He said, he said, hell yeah.
This bitch bad.
We can make passes all day here, man. That's what I like about it. Look out. Let me see if I can scout something else up here.
Oh.
Line and got more people in it.
Huh?
You good? Yeah, man, we been having fun in the motherfucker. At the wall. Oh yeah. Yeah, we looked at the wall. We were trying to see if somebody left a mark on it.
Look, here's your elote.
He got elote.
I'm not gonna keep holding that. If I keep holding, I'm gonna eat it.
I got it right there, man.
Driving like a Mustang.
We got it right there. Let me see, who is this right here?
What are you running? What are you running?
What I run? E85.
E85?
Yeah. Hey,
Huh?
I'm finna see if he wanna race. Hey man, you wanna do something?
Running him behind me.
You running him behind you?
Yeah.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah, I'm running him.
Okay.
And I'm gonna leave.
And then you gonna leave?
Yeah. I always see you here though. We get
Yeah, we can do something next time, man.
Saturday or something.
Okay. I'll catch up with you.
I'll see you.
Man, let me run him, man. I want to run him behind you, man. I want to run him. Let me talk to him, man. Hey, man, I want to run you. Nah, he said he think it's better if me and you run.
Nah, we just got through talking.
Oh, y'all did? I just got through talking to him. You ain't see me talk to him and back up and talk. Yeah.
He pointed back and said he finna race me.
Yeah, but then I told him change his
I
mind.
seen the car run.
Man, I'm trying to.
Got the turbos